Hello, we're here unboxing the May 2021 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Let's see what we got. All right, we have the creative card. So that tells you what's included in your surprise. And we give you a prompt. It's superhero or gag comic. Give it a try. We'd love to see it at hashtag Smile Create Repeat on social media. And it looks like we have a yellow call-out box with a little special, coffee over cardio. Check them out too, because we gave you coffee over cardio, messy bun, cinnabon coffee. We had some of this, we came across them, another small company, entrepreneur, killing it. This was delicious, so go check them out. You have a coupon code for you on your creative card, so you'll be able to get a little more coffee for a little less money. All right, we have a watercolor pack of artist trading cards from Strathmore. That's nice. Got a bunch of them in there, so you have great paper. Because having a Ferrari with great racing tires on the beach is not going to handle the way it's supposed to, so that's why we make sure we give you some of the paper. It looks like we have an ink pen box here. A surprise, a dip pen theme, which is awesome. Let's see what we got here. We got 2 different nibs. I'm going to look at my notes here to see what they are again. It says it on them, but it's written on there small, a 104 and a 102, a 100. So you have 2 different nibs. One's much smaller than the other, but they're both really small anyway. This will give you bigger, fatter lines the harder you push. This one is much more delicate. And I will show you later on in the video how to put those in. It's simple, sometimes tricky, but it's simple. So I'll do that right now, actually. Here's your handle. And this is a special kind just for these nibs. So if you have other nibs, you might need a different handle, and that's it. That just goes in like that, and that's it. And then this one also does the same thing. There you go. So that's how you put those in, and be careful because you can, of course, poke yourself. That's sharp. And if you grab it like this and slide your finger along this too hard, these are sharp metal edges, so that could cut you. So if you're doing it like I am, you probably don't want to. Maybe grab a tissue or something just to protect your hand. We have a Pigma Micron 3. It's a fine point pen, and I included this in there because drawing little circles with a dip pen is kind of tricky. So you can, of course, do it, and many people do. But this is nice because you can draw little circles. So if you're doing eyes or anything like that, or if you want a consistent width line, these pens, that's what they're great for. We have our Smile Create Repeat pencil. Art is good, and it is good. So that's so you remember where you got these great supplies. And you have Speedball calligraphy ink. This one's blue. Your color might vary. But we got an assortment, so we could have different colors other than just black ink for you. And then here we go. Do you love coffee? There's a little postcard from Coffee Over Cardio, just to give you a little more information about them. And then we have 2 postcards here. Smile, Create, Repeat, Make a Better Day artwork, and then art from a subscriber. So that's it. That is the May 2021 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful month, and remember to smile, create, repeat.